Hello guys, welcome to the second part of the Prosthodontics review. I wanted to make a class just specifically for the removable partial dentures because it's a highly asked topic during the exam. I cannot stress enough on how important this is for the exam because they ask this a lot. So we're gonna start with the considerations for a removable partial denture. You have to have a patient with healthy ridges, healthy abutment teeth, and good interarch relationships. Also, the indications are for long edentulous areas, no posterior abutment, reduced periodontal support, excessive bone loss, or if that's the patient desire.